about season 2.
And this season we're shooting smoothies right here on Smoothie Sailing. Smoothie Sailing! Daria, today's smoothie is called Melon Berry.
Melon Berry. Melon Berry.
And the reason is because we have strawberry yogurt and watermelon. And the ingredients are
watermelon, ice, strawberry yogurt, honey and milk.
Should we go ahead and start?
Yeah.
Okay. What should we put in first?
Ice.
Ice? No, let's put in ingredient. Let's put in some strawberry yogurt.
Yeah.
Come on.
I'll do it.
Okay, you need to take a bigger spoon. There you
I'll
go.
show you.
Good job. Okay, Daria, next we're gonna put in some.
No, not watermelon.
You wanna put in some ice?
Yeah.
Okay.
First, can I see what it looks? Can I try it?
No, you can't try it. Put it down. Put it down. Let's pour it.
I want to see its ice.
Okay, Daria, it's gonna melt if we keep playing with ice. Come on. Pour it in. Pour it in. Daria, let's put in the watermelon.
Yeah.
Okay, and the next ingredient, this one is heavy, so let's go ahead and do this.
Okay. And the last ingredient is honey.
Go ahead and...
I'll do it drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Drizzle, 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 drizzle.
Should we go ahead and blend everything?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do that. Okay, now that I've poured yours, I'm going to pour mine. Okay, Daria?
Don't put little bit. I want to also do that. When I'm a grown up, then I'll do that.
Yes.
Big one, and
Oh, look what I got you.
yeah, I'll look for sound too.
Okay.
No.
Pinch it wider. Daria, come on. Yes, good job.
Pinch it wider and wider.
And now we're gonna put in some pink straws.
Okay, we drink it. Are you ready to try it, Mama?
I am ready to try it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and try it.
Mmm.
Do you like it? Okay, what makes this recipe interesting is the watermelon and the strawberry yogurt go together really beautifully and gives you that very fresh kind of flavor in your mouth. And it's completely unexpected because you would never think that that combination kind of goes together, but it goes together really well. Also with this recipe you can do different things. For example, instead of regular milk, which is what we've used here, you can use almond milk, and instead of honey you can go ahead and use maple syrup if you don't have any honey at home. Right, Daria? Do you like it? Good. Alright, that's all the time we have for today. Go ahead and send in your recipes if you want us to try something new, and do subscribe. Bye!
Subscribe to the parent.
Yeah, and the reason we're calling it the parent is because it's got pears in it. Right? You know, like how parents are parents? Okay, when you grow up you'll understand. Anyways,
Parents.
Yes, like parents.